Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and in front of us is, well, it's one of my favourite locks, and I've wanted one of these for years, but they were always really expensive, and I don't tend to buy new locks just because they don't make a lot of economical sense since I'm not really using them for their intended purpose, so they can get quite expensive, especially when you get more rare-ish ones like this, which is the Viro Monolith. And it really is a heavy beast, and it feels great as well. They've got this really nice matte finish on there, and it's sort of great to play with, that all those rounded edges, even though it's really heavy. It's sort of a really nice lock to hold. It's got a super thick shackle, which I think is about 12 millimeters. Let's have a look at that. This is a change to millimeters. No, it's a 13 millimeter shackle, so really big. And just look how deep, there you go, that anti-drill spinner is. Let's actually get in there with the calipers and see how deep that is. So that is 6.78 millimeters, or 0.267 inches deep. I mean, that's really big, really big. Just love this. You know, they call it a monolith for a reason. It's almost certainly made out of one piece of metal as well, a monoblock of metal. Just really nice. Right, let's grab some keys and show you what's going on there as well. If any of you are familiar with Viro locks, and this next bit won't come as a surprise, but if we count the pins up, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins, just the same as the Viro Panzers. Now, look at the bow of the key here, which is normally where you'd stop in the keyway. Look at this. So get that spinner the right way around, put the key in, don't stop there, don't stop there, don't stop there, don't stop there. There we go. It swallows up half the key, and then you can open it. Now, there isn't an easy way to disassemble this. I imagine it's press fit in, which is a bit of a shame, but it's yeah, I mean, it's supposed to be a reasonably high security lock, or at least in terms of anti-physical attack anyway. Very lovely. Like I said, it just feels great. And a friend bought me this. Well, they didn't know, they bought me some, they were buying me this, they gave me some vouchers, which is the only reason I could afford it. And I went online and I used those vouchers on this lock, and I don't have any regrets because I don't tend to buy a lot of the more desirable locks, or at least the ones that are desirable to me, like I said, because I'm relatively budget conscious. Now, I've had to make a tension tool out of some wiper blade because this keyway is just so deep set. It really is. I mean, just look how deep you have to go. So even with a tension tool which is really long, it only just about gets in there and tensions it. Now I'm going to rest this down like that, tension it like this, get a Peterson gem in 18 thousandths, and have a go at picking it. So so that feels like a little click on 5, nothing on 4, on 3 now. 3, nothing on 1, 5, and into a bit of a false set. 4, on pin 1, nothing there yet. Okay. 6, and counter rotation and set. 1, and we are open. So yeah, let's just look at that bitting again. Leave it there. Now, I felt mild clicks on all of the pins, but really I felt that I only was really picking 7. I don't even think I numbered the pin correctly when I was calling it out, but 7, 5 and 2 were the only ones where I felt that counter rotation. Like I said, I might have called out the numbers wrong. It's hard to figure it out on a 7-pin lock where the pins are quite small, but yeah, all the rest just were little click clicks, and I passed the pick past them. I feel that this lock was really beautiful and superb against kind of physical attacks, no doubt. If it only had just slightly more extreme bitting, it would be so much better. I mean, 7 pins is great, but it just didn't seem like a massive challenge either. So a bit of a shame. But nevertheless, it's a really lovely lock to have in the collection. Just to prove it's open, there we go. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. That's a Viro Monolith 7-pin monoblock padlock picked. Like I said, really love this lock, albeit it's not a particularly hard lock to pick. See you all next time.